Hi, this is the TCL 408 and I'll show you how to add the remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while the home screen with our finger, then tap here to widgets icon, and after that you will see here all of the available applications which widgets you could add. To add the calendar widget, for example, you should hold it and drag it to the home screen. If you want to move this widget here on the home screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it. To resize the widget, hold it for a while, and after that we could make it bigger or smaller. If you want to remove it from the home screen, hold it and drag it to the remove icon. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.